Does anybody actually use the heel portion of the toe and heel shifter when you've got a floorboard? It seems cumbersome to me, you know, because you move and you move like that, then you got to lift your foot back up to get it back here, right? Wouldn't it make more sense if they put those on bikes with foot pegs instead of floorboards? Sure looks cool though. I wouldn't have it any other way. Greetings everybody, welcome to another episode of the Blues Harp Biker. I hope everybody's doing well, and I hope that this episode finds you happy. So what we're going to do today is we're heading over to see Tom Walzem. Tom Walzem is a guitar player. He was in a band called the Neptunes. It was a surf band, and they did quite a bit of playing and a little traveling and did some recording. And he owns a music store called Mystic Music here in Fresno, California. And he has a BMW R100, an older one, and we're going to go take a look at it today and see what that's all about. Before we go too much further, you got to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Also, that little thumbs up, that means you like the video. Also hit that little bell icon. That bell icon will notify you whenever I got something new happening. And comment. Let's hear what you got to say. It's always good to have interaction on this thing. But anyways, we're heading over to his music store right now, and we're going to take a look at the old BMW. I haven't had a BMW on this channel yet, so this is going to be interesting. And something for all the BMW enthusiasts out there. And I want to have something for everybody. Not just my Harley brethren. Alright, here we are at Mystic Music. We're going to go see Tom now. Hey Tom.
Hey, what's up? Catch me.
Yeah, welcome to the Blues Harp Biker channel.
Hey.
Alright.
For coming out here,
this is Tom Walzem, and this is his music store. I don't know if any of you guys that are into bikes are into music, but it's got a cool little shop here with cool stuff, and a repair shop back there. And what all you repair? You get
just
everything?
Guitars at this point.
Just guitars.
Yeah, guitars.
You ever, you have Prince Albert in a can? Well, you better let him out before he suffocates. All right. So let's talk about your motorcycle.
Oh yeah, come on up. Come on back. That's good. The mess. Like 30.
Oh, there it is.
92 R100 Roadster.
All right.
Yeah. Just picked it up last October.
Oh, wow.
I saw an ad in Craigslist for it, and I was like, I've always wanted an airhead.
Yeah.
It said at the bottom, senior citizen owned, so I was like, that got to be good. And just like I thought, there was some old guy that had 5 different toolkits stashed around.
Oh, wow.
Kept it meticulously clean, and so I was I rolled the dice on it, and it's been pretty good.
Yeah, yeah. Did you have to do anything to it to get it going or anything, or?
No.
No?
It had been sitting around for a little bit.
Yeah.
I adjusted the valves, which is one of the reasons I got this, was so I could work on it myself a little bit and keep it tuned. So I've been having a blast.
Yeah.
First motorcycle of this size. I've had 4 other small displacement two-strokes as a kid.
Yeah.
But this is, it's only got 60 horsepower, but to me, it felt pretty strong.
60 horsepower, that's, I mean, you know, it's not a speed bike, but it's okay. You know, that's what a stock Sportster has. You know, around 60 horsepower.
I've had it up to 90 and it felt pretty good.
Yeah, yeah.
Whoops, shouldn't have said that.
You're gonna be in a heap of trouble, boy.
You've incriminated yourself. That's all right. That's one of the questions I usually ask people. How fast have you had it, you know? So, all right, is it electric start only?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't have the old one. You ever see the old ones on the...
Yeah. I was just watching that movie Mystery Men. He had a 1960 R50, I think it was, and he was kickstarting, and it was like, wow, that would be fun.
Well, you remember I was telling you about those Harleys, those XA Harleys that were made during the war that were a copy of the BMW, and they had the Kickstarter on the side. Just they were just like, those were supposed to be the best motorcycle that Harley ever made, and they made 1,000 of them.
Dang.
Yeah.
I guess the air cooling, they were fighting in the desert.
Yep. Yeah. And you know, Indian made a Moto Guzzi copy for the same purpose. Yeah. Those are I think those are even harder to find. Yeah, for the same purpose. They were, you know.
I'm having a blast with this thing, though, man. It's just my preferred form of travel. Right
now. Yeah. I hear you. I love it too. What's it sound like?
Well, it sounds like let's see, whoops, maybe half an airplane. Let's see if it'll start up.
Smooth.
You gotta always turn these off when you stop. I've got a slight something wrong. My needle valve is on leak, so I wrote a note on here in German, so I can learn German while I turn off the valve. Even in my house. Anyway.
Fantastic.
I'm having fun.
Yeah.
It was really weird to not see it.
Yeah, right. There's no side swing arm there.
There we go.
There it is.
I think I probably could use a little balancing and get it a little bit smoother. I've always loved Porsches. And it's the same motor as the early Porsches. Yeah. It's like exactly half of a 912 motor.
Yeah, there used to be when I was a kid, there used to be a BMW shop down on Belmont.
Yeah.
Belmont and Marks. You remember that?
Yep.
They sold BMWs and Moto Guzzis there. It was a little tin building, and they fixed them there, and they always had a couple old bikes out front.
I tell you, I love bikes. I love the new retro. I love how they're getting back into the old looking bikes.
Yeah.
Everybody's making, like even Suzuki's making a bike that looks like a bobber kind of looking thing. And this is the way they're meant to be. They're meant to have gas tanks.
Yeah, right. The BMW's got the R18 now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's a beast. So does this thing, like when you give it the throttle, do you ever feel it do anything like that?
Yeah, I guess it depends on where it is in its stroke. You hit it, it'll go maybe a little bit to the right.
Yeah.
Is that right? And it's just what they do.
Yeah, that's what they do. They got that push-pull going on them.
Feat of engineering. I just love how different it
is.
And they're taking these now and turning them into cafe racers.
Yeah.
Basically everything from your back unbolts.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Put on whatever you want.
They look good. You know, they look good like that, you know. These motors probably stay pretty cool too.
And I'm hoping the police think I'm a retired bike cop.
Yeah.
Are you the police?
No, ma'am. We're musicians.
Yeah, he's not going to cause us any trouble.
The purple might throw him off.
They say that when you're going 90.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly.
That's awesome, man.
It's called the Paralever.
If any of you guys don't know about BMWs, there's no swing arm on this. If you can see the wheel is attached only on one side because it's got a drive shaft. I'm sure everybody knows that, but there's some people that don't. There's probably maybe some guys that only fool around with Harleys and stuff that don't know anything about them.
And they've been real solid on their drive shaft vehicles from the very beginning.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons why, you know, the Harleys made that XA was they had a drive shaft on them. I mean, the chains got all gummed up in the desert. Well, that's cool, man. How many miles does it have?
Oh, 70 something.
71,000?
Yeah, it's gonna need some work soon.
Yeah.
Transmission's gonna need some help.
Yeah.
Probably a rebuild. That's all right.
Yeah. Do you do that yourself? No.
No. I'll find somebody.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't work on stuff too much. I you know, I can, but I don't know. The older I get, the less I want to fool around with bullshit. You know.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I hate burning myself, and I hate busting my knuckles with a wrench.
Yeah.
One of those guys have their knurled hands.
Yeah. Well, that's great, Tom, man. Thanks a lot for showing it to us, and
I'm glad to see a lot of our musician friends also have this kind of passion. This is awesome.
Yeah,
I love your channel, man.
You know, there's more and more musicians that are coming out that, you know, say, hey, I got a bike, you know, and you know, you'd be surprised how many guys ride, you know, and how many guys ride that don't say anything about it. They just, you know.
Well, we just don't grow up musicians.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
And nothing wrong with that, right?
No, not at all.
I'm having fun.
Yeah, it keeps you from getting old. That's what they say anyways. I don't know.
Yeah, we're doing all right here.
You know, with our silver locks.
Yeah, that's right.
The other day I was walking down the street, somebody said, hey Tom, hey man, I gotta bring my guitar down to the music store.
No way, really? Oh, that's funny.
No, I'm joking.
Could've, yeah.
All right, well cool, man. Well thanks, Tom, you know.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
fun.
That's a cool jam, man.
All right, we'll be playing Thursday nights. Over
yeah,
at,
that's right. Yeah,
Frosty Queen.
Frosty Queen at the corner there. All right, well, thanks, man. This has been a good time. Mystic Music, the address here.
1822 Van Ness, just south of the Divisadero. Look for Frosty Queen. Park anywhere that you can find a place.
There you go. There you go. Well, cool, man. Mystic Music, and check out Tom. You playing any gigs? Nobody's playing any gigs. Are you playing?
Yeah, I'm playing with the Kings of Blackstone.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
we're starting up. We're going to be playing once a month over here at Shep's.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.
And,
yeah.
What else? Benny Vici on Cinco de Mayo. Woo-hoo.
All right. There you go. Well, good. Good. That sounds pretty festive. All right. Well, cool.
Right.
Go check out Tom and check the music store out if you're in Fresno, or if you're traveling through, come in and say hi. And thanks a lot. Thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother.
All right.